Today I'm making easy green enchiladas using canned chicken. No shredding, no long prep, just simple ingredients and big flavor. This is one of those dinners you can throw together on a busy day, but it still feels homemade and comforting. For this recipe, you'll need canned chicken, 3 cans, well drained, green enchilada sauce, soft tortillas, shredded cheese, fresh cilantro, taco seasoning, and a little oil for the baking dish. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, they turn into something really satisfying. Start by opening the canned chicken and draining it very well. This step matters. Too much liquid can make the enchiladas watery. Use a fork to break the chicken into smaller pieces. No need to overwork it, just enough so it mixes evenly later. Add a few spoonfuls of green enchilada sauce directly to the chicken. This adds flavor and keeps the filling moist. Stir gently until everything is coated. The chicken should look juicy, not soupy. At this point, you can already smell that green salsa aroma. Add taco seasoning and chopped fresh cilantro. Mix it well. Place a pan over medium heat and add a light drizzle of oil. Warm each tortilla in the pan just until it becomes soft and flexible. This step helps prevent the tortillas from breaking when you roll them. Once the tortilla is warm, add some chicken filling and gently roll it up. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas. Lightly grease your baking dish so nothing sticks. Place the rolled enchilada seam side down in the dish. Repeat until the pan is full. Try to keep them snug. This helps them hold their shape while baking. Pour the remaining green sauce over the enchiladas, making sure every tortilla is covered. This is where the flavor really builds. Finish with a generous layer of cheese on top. Don't be shy. This is what gives that golden, bubbly finish. Place the dish into a preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake 40 minutes until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and lightly golden around the edges. The sauce will thicken, the tortillas will soften, and everything will come together beautifully. Once out of the oven, let the enchiladas rest for a few minutes. This helps them set and makes serving easier. The top should be cheesy and golden, with green sauce bubbling around the edges. These green enchiladas are creamy, comforting, and surprisingly flavorful for such a simple recipe. Perfect for weeknight dinners, meal prep, or when you just want something warm and satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save it for later.